Today we're driving a very special 2008 BMW Z4M Coupe. It only has 1,270 miles on it. It is minty fresh. This has the S54, the same 3.2 liter inline six in the E46 M3. It makes 330 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque. This is equipped with a 6-speed ZF manual transmission. Long hood, lots of cargo space in the back. This only came out a few months after the Z4M Roadster, and it increased cargo space by about 50%, which is pretty awesome to see. You've got your cargo cover back here. This is part of the BMW Classic Collection, so everything in the back is kind of torn apart to connect and reconnect the batteries, so ignore all that. But just to show you guys some of the space back here, for a sports car of this type, this is an enormous trunk space. This was also a more aerodynamic and track-friendly package for BMW drivers who wanted to take their M Coupes to the racetrack. On the front, we've got a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, a much more modern tire compound than would have come on here, but these are 225/40R18s, and in the rear, a set of 255/40R18s. The C4 has lighter forged aluminum lower control arms, lighter steering hubs, and a stronger rear subframe to accommodate the limit slip differential. They also widened the track by 1/2 inch and recalibrated shocks, springs, and anti-roll bars to make it handle a little bit better. This also has near 50-50 perfect weight distribution. Over there you might be able to see the Z3M Coupe, the clown shoe, as well as an E46 M3. We're in good company today. Let's hop behind the wheel and take this for a short drive. Inside, we've got a very driver-focused cockpit. A little GPS unit there, which you can keep up or fold down, depending on your choice. Today, we'll leave it down. We've got bright red seats, a little bit of storage space back here, a DVD GPS navigation system, DSC off, TPMS light, heated seats, a sport mode, and here is that fantastic 6-speed manual transmission. Feels solid, feels strong. Feels a lot like a lot of other BMWs, but it's maybe a little bit shorter of a throw. I like the steering wheel. It's kind of just about the right size. Over here, you've got your light controls, cup holder. Good visibility out of this too, out of the back, out of the side mirrors. From the driver's seat, this feels purposeful. The ergonomics are good. Let's go see how it drives on the road. We have a nice group of S54 cars today. This 3.2 liter inline six is so torquey, so healthy. Red line is 8,000 RPM, so you really got to wind it out. It sounds good too. We'll roll the windows up here. Shifter takes a little bit to warm up, but it feels tight, direct. It's not as notchy and mechanical as the E36 lightweight we drove earlier, but it still feels really nice. A few shakes and rattles in this interior. Seems pretty typical for the era in this type of BMW. Front end is really responsive. Not a ton of steering feel, but it's a quick rack. go into sport mode. A lot more aggressive throttle response here. This S54 sounds fantastic. This all feels very M car, just in a lighter, more compact chassis. This Z4M Coupe is a bit of a brute to drive. It requires some force to change gears. The steering is a little bit heavier. It feels a little bit BMW muscle car. There's much more testosterone pumping through this whole cabin than what you might see in a similar era Porsche Cayman or Boxster. It's quick too. The last Z4M Coupe that I drove was actually one that I was thinking about buying and replacing the S2000 with, and it had a carbon fiber intake on it, and it just woke up the S54 with the ITBs. It sounded insane. This still sounds good in stock form. A car like this is a nice balance. It's comfortable, it's got good power, it looks good, it's reasonably practical too. The power, the performance capabilities, the handling, it's also quick enough that it feels like it's pretty much pushing the limit of what you can explore on the street too. Once this shifter warms up, it really feels good. Initially, there's quite a bit of resistance between gears until the gearbox gets some temperature in it, but you get those shifts right, it's just so direct. Alright guys, just a quick drive today in the Z4M Coupe. Cool car experience. Neat to be able to drive one with such low miles, and it's just so factory fresh. Thanks to BMW Classic Collection for letting us take this out and share it with you guys. This has been a lot of fun. Stay tuned for some more videos coming out in the next few weeks from BMW's Classic Collection. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.